So it's recording, so you could just, you know. Okay.
The stars were watching when for his birth a little child came down to earth. Angels did help him both day and night to fill his heart with love and light. One burning candle did we prepare to shine upon his birthday fair. Children, once upon a time, there was a little angel and a big angel, and they lived and worked and played in the houses of the moon and the sun and the stars. And one day when the little angel was out playing and working, he came to a beautiful place that he'd never seen before. And he ran to his guardian angel and he said, "Come see the beautiful blue and green place that I have found." And the big angel came, peeked over the little angel's wings, and said, "Yes, that is Earth." And the little angel said, "I would like to go and work and play on Earth just like I have on the moon and the sun and the stars. Please may I go?" And the big angel said, "Yes, but first you must pass through the land of dreams." And so that night when the little angel went to sleep, he prayed that that would be the very night he passed through the land of dreams. And sure enough, in his dreams he found himself in a beautiful flower garden. And in that garden were many, many women, tall, small, dark, and fair. And he walked and looked at each one until he came to a woman with dark hair and a warm smile with brown eyes. And he said, "Would you be my mother?" And she said, "I would love to be your mother." And so when the little angel woke up, he ran to his guardian angel and he said, "I've found a wonderful mommy and she's ready for me to come to Earth. Please may I go?" And the guardian angel said, "Almost, but first you must pass through the land of dreams one more time." And so that night when the little angel went to sleep, he dreamed that he was on a very tall mountain. And on that mountain were many, many men. And he walked and looked at each one until he came to a man with hazel eyes and brown hair and a strong but gentle smile. And he said, "Would you be my daddy?" And the man said, "It would be a pleasure to be your daddy." And so when the little angel woke up, he ran to his guardian angel and he said, "I have found the most wonderful mommy and daddy and they're ready for me to come to Earth. Please may I go?" And the big angel said, "Yes, it is time for you to go to Earth. But while you are there, I'm going to keep your wings safe for you." And he tucked them under his own wings. He said, "You may not remember me when you're on Earth, but I will always be close to you to help you when you need me." And he took the gifts that the little angel had received from the sun and the moon and the stars and turned them into lights and music and colors. And he said that you will hear the gifts of these things in your name. William Kent Skates. And Liam just turned 3. Right. So let's sing happy birthday and give our cheers. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Liam. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! And he's already snuffed the candle.
You can snuff out your candle. And you can open up your present. I think it's an appliance.
A new car?
What is it, Liam?
Huh? I already have my own set of beanbags. I do too. Me too, but I lost mine. I do. I lost mine. I got special beanbags.
Happy birthday, Liam.
Take those beanbags home with you.
Yay.
Sorry. Oh, and I think that a couple times.